Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. So in this guide, I'm going to show you how to create a PDF document using the Gemini AI. So first, open your web browser and search for Google Gemini. Go to its official website. And once on the Gemini AI homepage, you need to go ahead and formulate a prompt for your document. For example, you could ask it to create a sample document with the fake details about a company. After that, click on this plus icon and select Canvas. And once the document is ready for export, now click on this download button in the top right corner of the screen and click on save. And if you go ahead and open that downloaded file, you'll see that it's in the PDF format and you'll be able to open it as a PDF. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.